Ginataang tilapia. Kaya yung akin. Akin naman to lahat. Yung ano na lang. Ayan. Then, lagyan natin na malunggay. Dinner time. Then sa asawa ko naman, burrito. Let's eat. Thank you, Lord. Ang dami. Ginataang tilapia. Oh, that's yummy. Almost a year that I never eat this.
No.
Yeah, maybe it's 1 year. It's been 1 year.
What is it?
You should try it. Oh, you're allergic, baby. I just saw it on Facebook. Scrolling and scrolling. Now, thank God I have this.
Did you get it from Wii?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Maybe. I'm gonna go take some medicine, okay?
Okay, I bet you're gonna sit here after.
No.
Sama pa rin pakiramdam ng asawa ko, guys. Kaninang umaga lang natatakot na ako. Sana hindi niya ako mahawaan. Bawal pa naman ako kumain. Bawal pa naman ako magkasakit. Kasi bawal ako ng gamot. Hindi pwede. Ubos ng mga madam, oh. Pag kumakain ako, sipot talaga lahat. Pati yung mga buto-buto. Wala na. Finish na.